Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study chapter 2 fractions and decimals. Today's topic is multiplication of fractions by a fraction. Multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Suppose 2 by 3 is a fraction, another fraction suppose 4 by 5. Then how you will multiply? You will multiply that numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Then 2 4 is 8, 3 5 is 15. So it is a proper fraction. Then suppose figure is there. It is divided 3 equal parts. Then one of the part is shaded. What is the fraction of this? This is 1 by 3. Then suppose this shaded portion again we divided into 2 equal parts. This is one part and this is another part. And this part is called, this part is how much? Half of 1, half of 1 by 3. This is, so it is, what is that? 1 over half of 1 by 3. Half of 1 by 3. Do you understand this? This figure is divided 3 equal parts. And one of the part is shaded. This is called 1 by 3 of the fraction. Then this one of the shaded portion is again divided into 2 equal parts. Then one of the part is called 1 by 2 of 1 by 3. Then how much is that? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Then how much will come? 1 into 1 by 2 into 3 equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 of the portion. Do you understand? Now this is fraction multiplied by fraction. Suppose this type of figures 3 is given. Then how you write? This is, suppose 1 is shaded like this, you have to divide this one. 1 by 6 is same to 3 numbers means 3 of 1 by 6. Then 3 into 1 by 6 equal to 3 into 1 by 6 equal to 3 by 6. Or we will simplify. If it is simplify means two numbers are divisible, you have to take lowest term, simplify that number. That is how much come, you have to write. Do you understand? Like that way, 1 by 2. This is multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Next, on to the how you will multiply the fraction by fraction? Fraction by fraction means numerator by numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. That is the proper. That is the formula. If you will multiply two proper fractions, suppose 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. These two are proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? The numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. So these two numbers, the fractions are proper fraction. You will multiply. How much will come? 2 3 is 6. 3 4 is 12. 6 by 12. And this 6 by 12 is less than this number. 6 by 12 is less than 2 by 3. And 6 by 12 is less than 3 by 4. What you observe that this number is the what product, what result is given, that product is less than each of the fraction. Each of the proper fraction. Do you understand? The multiplication, how much can the product, how much can that product is less than each of the fraction, proper fractions. Do you understand? This is proper fraction. If you multiply, the product is less than each of the proper fraction. Suppose the question is improper fraction given. Improper fraction given. Then the two improper fractions are multiplied. The product of the two improper fractions, how much will come? Same, numerator into numerator into denominator into denominator. This is how much is there? 35 times and 3 to the 6. 35 by 6. This number is, this what product can, that number is greater than each of the improper fraction. That number is greater than the improper fraction. Do you understand? This is the formula applied. Then if two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fraction. And if two improper fractions are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the fraction. Do you understand now? Now, what problems we will study? Number 5 in that exercise, see that Saili plants 4 saplings. I have written the question here. Listen. Saili plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between the first and last sapling. So, what solution is there? First you will try. Saili plants 4 saplings in a row. Saili plants 4 saplings in a row. See, suppose this is the row. Here, Saili plants 4 saplings, equal distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 saplings. This is. The distance between these 2 saplings are this distance here to here, 1 to this. The distance between here to here, 3 by 4 meter. Here it is also 3 by 4 meter. It is also 3 by 4 meter. We understand? 4 saplings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 saplings are there. Each equal distance is there. That distance between each is 3 by 4 meters. Then, what is that? In her garden, the distance between 2 adjacent saplings are 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between the first sapling to here to here, how much is there? That is asking. Then what you will do? The distance between 2 saplings to adjacent saplings. How much is that? It is 3 by 4 meters. Do you understand this one? This between these 2 saplings, how much is that? That is 3 by 4 meters. Then Saili plants how many saplings? 4 saplings in a row in her garden. Then number of gaps. Number of gaps. Number of gaps in sapling. How many? How many are there? Here to here 1, here to here 2, here to here 3. So how many are there? 3. Number of gaps in saplings, how many are there? 3. Then the distance between, then I will erase it. The distance between first saplings to last sapling. It is the first saplings to last sapling is equal to how much is that? That is 3 by 4 meter into 3. It is how much will come? Numerator and denominator by denominator equal to 9 by 4 meter. It is how many meters? You have to change because it is improper fraction, so we change to mixed fraction. 4 to the 8, 1 by 4 meter. So 2 1 by 4 meter. That is therefore we write that the distance between question is the distance between the first and this between the first sapling to first and last sapling. How much is that? It is 9.5 means 2 1 by 4, 9 by 4 meters. Last sapling equal to how much is that? That is 2 1 by 4 meter or 9 by 4 meter. Do you understand? This way you have to do that number 5. Next, another one problem is there, that is question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance we need to cover using 2 liters of petrol. Then solution what you write? In 1 liter of petrol covers a distance is equal to how much? That is 16 kilometer. Then in how many liters? 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4 means how much will come? That is change. 2 3 by 4. 4 to the 8. 4 into 2 plus 3 by 4. It is equal to 11 by 4. So 11 by 4 liters of petrol. The car covers distance. How much? Equal to 11 by 4 into 16. 4 1 4 4 equal to 44 kilometers. Do you understand now? Now, therefore, thus the car covers 44 kilometer distance in 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Okay, this much for today. Next class we will study some more numbers. Do these numbers in your notebook. Thank you.